Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do an herb detox water. So this is our anti-inflammatory water. Definitely helps with any inflammation or any stomach issues that you have going on. Helps calm down the body. So I'm going to show you how to make it. So this is a really good fat burner one and a metabolizing booster one. I'm going to add mint, and I don't know if you guys know this, but mint is super good to help soothe stomach aches and just soothe the internal organs. So any irritation, any inflammation, mint is really good for that. Sage is what I'm putting in right now. It's actually like this soft leaf, but sage helps also calm the nervous system. And it just, all these green leaves are just really good for regulating the digestive system. Very highly recommended. And the last one is basil. Basil is great for an anti-inflammatory. Again, all these three ingredients are anti-inflammatory ingredients, which is basically you're drinking a tumbler full of anti-inflammatory. So if you have allergies, if you get stomach aches, if you get inflamed, this is what you need to be drinking every single day. I hope that you guys drink it and really enjoy it, because I drink this all the time. It's so good. I definitely taste a lot of the basil, which I love, and it makes water so much more interesting, which I love. Tell us in the comments below what type of detox water you want to see next. Bye!